Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make lo mein. It's a Chinese dish, very delicious, and it's noodles with chicken. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First we're gonna see our ingredients. We're gonna need 300 grams of noodles. These are special noodles made from wheat and eggs, like you see on the package. It's a thick noodles. We also gonna need around half kilo of chicken breast cut in pieces like you see in the video. We're gonna need also some vegetables, some bell pepper, some scallion, some spinach, carrots and some peas. You can add other kind of vegetables if you like. A quarter cup of chicken broth, 3 spoons of oyster sauce, 1 spoon of soya sauce, 1 spoon of sesame oil, 1 spoon of cornstarch. We also gonna use 3 garlic cloves cut in small pieces and some ginger, green ginger cut in julienne. 2 spoons of vegetable oil. These are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare our meal, lo mein. First, let's prepare our noodles. In a pot over the stove, put some water over it. Leave it until it starts boiling. Add a little bit of oil. Then add the noodles on it. Leave it for around 5 minutes or until it's 70% done. Take it out, drain it from the water and rinse it with the cold water to stop the processing of cooking. And leave it on the side. Now let's prepare our sauce. In a bowl, put the chicken stock, add the cornstarch and dissolve it on it. Then add the soya sauce, the oyster sauce, and the sesame oil. Mix all well together and put it aside. Now let's see how to prepare our meal. In a frying pan over a medium-high fire, put some vegetable oil. Wait a minute. Then add the garlic and the ginger. Fry it a little bit. Then add the chicken. Fry the chicken until it changes color. Then add over it the vegetable that we have, except the scallion. And leave them cooking for around 15 minutes. Of course, don't forget to keep stirring all together during the cooking time. After that, add the noodles that we prepared before. And the sauce that we prepare. Mix all together and leave it cooking over a medium heat for around 10 minutes or until you see that the sauce began to be thick. Turn the heat off, add the scallions over it, mix it up and leave it there for 10 more minutes. And this is all. Put it on a plate and bon appetit. My friends, this is our meal for today. Lo mein from the Chinese cuisine. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye.